Calculate the area of the rectangle below in centimeters squared and then in millimeters squared. So in centimeters squared, the lengths are in centimeters already. So for a rectangle, it's just the length times the width. So that's going to be 36. And let's make sure we get the units down. Now you can convert that into millimeters squared, but I know that a lot of students have problems doing that. So let's convert the lengths into millimeters. 10 millimeters in a centimeter, you really only have to look at your ruler to see that. And so this would be 120 times 30, which is 3,600 millimeters squared. What I saw in your solutions was lots of people not sure whether there was 2, 3, 1, whatever zeros added to the end of 36. Go back and do it again in the rectangle, and then you won't have that problem. Calculate the shaded area of the shape shown below. Well, we can see that we've got an outer circle of radius 8 and an inner one of radius 4, and we've got to do the big circle, pi times 8 squared. Remember, the area for a circle is pi r squared. Take away the inner circle, which is pi times 4 squared. Once you've actually got that down, my suggestion is always do that on the calculator in one go. So I've got pi multiplied by 8 squared. Take away pi multiplied by 4 squared. And that would give me 150.79 and it does say nearest square centimetre, so you must round it. So that's going to be 151 square centimetres. Calculate the total area of the shape below. We can see this overall is 50 millimetres. So there's 15 there. And because of this 12 here, there's 12 here. So there's 15 and 12. So we'll do 50, take away 15 and 12 is 27, leaving us 23 as the height here. So what do we have? We've got a triangle, we've got a parallelogram, and we've got a trapezium. And note, with a parallelogram, the opposite sides are the same length, so that one there is a 20. So we've got the triangle, we've got the parallelogram, and we've got the trapezium. So for the triangle, you've got a formula sheet, 20 times 15 divided by 2. For the parallelogram, it's just base times height, so that's 20 times 23. And for the trapezium, we add the parallel sides, which is the 20 and the 10. We multiply that by the distance between them, which is the 12, and we divide by 2. And then you can do that all in the calculator in one go. There's no need to. This one's 150. Makes it nice and easy for me if you actually write these out. 460, and what's that one? That's going to be 30 times 6, so that one's 180. So 150, add 460, add 180, gives me 790, and the units there was square millimeters.